I'll be unboxing the membership versions of the SMCU Palace album. I got an aespa version and a sulgi version at my local K-pop shop. I just got whatever member was available. There wasn't much stock, so I just chose my top two biases from each group, and I guess I'll open the aespa version first. So as you can see, that's the Karina version. That's the front. Looks like it's in an envelope. And this is the default ID you get, so you already know which ID version you're gonna get. It's a membership card. That's how that looks. Let's look at the poster. We have the Ning Ning Karina unit. And the photo card is Giselle. I already had a feeling it would be Giselle because every time I get something Karina related, that means I'll also get a Giselle. So, no surprise there. Okay, now I'm gonna open the Red Velvet Silky version. If I have to make a prediction, maybe it's a Wendy or Yuri. I'll be surprised if it's Sulgi, a Sulgi photo card inside. Here's the membership card. Looks like that. I'm also using a different camera than usual, so the features are kind of new to me. Okay, photo card. I called it, it's a Wendy. Okay, let's see how it looks like. So pretty. Oh yeah, I forgot the poster. And the poster, who do we think it is? I would say it's the poster with the 3 members in it. Yep. We got the Silky, Joy, and Wendy poster. I called it. Okay, so at least I could add these to my collection. It's kind of nice. At least you could choose one thing. And then the polls are obviously random, but regardless, we love all members of aespa and Red Velvet, so at the end it doesn't matter who we get. But I'm glad I could at least have some kind of SMCU Palace card of Karina. I already pulled the Silky with the Red Velvet version. So, yeah. I don't want to block Ning Ning there. And those were my pulls